Alright, our next project is cleaning. Time to clean the house, get everything all nice, spick and span, and ready to go. This might be not that difficult, I don't know, because it's been sort of an interesting week. Not a lot has happened in the rest of the house, but I did do like 4 batches of cookies, so the kitchen did get used quite a bit. But I'm not sure how dirty the kitchen did become. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe. Check the description for the links to my affiliate site, which will show you some of the products that I do use and the things that I love to use. But let's get going.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need. I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your love, it is all that I need. Somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right. Nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times. like I don't like it. My life is a mess, screaming with boredom. I don't feel nothing when I'm buzzing. Someone add some glamorous her. 'Cause when I sleep alone for insomnia, they say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I chew, I don't taste it. Obsessing over dress when I split. Shoot me a blink, I'm dying from boredom. I even lie when I tell the truth. Honestly, what's the use? They say you have to be beaten up before you're tender enough. They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know. Reading watercolors outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how. Here we go.
As to be expected, the house wasn't as dirty as I thought it might be, but the kitchen was dirty. The floor was dirty. But hey, those things sort of happened. It wasn't that hard. I want to keep stressing, keep that cleaning schedule going, even if you think your house is not dirty. it's still worth it. It makes cleaning so much easier. Remember to check the description down below, that way you can see some of the products that I use. And you can also hit our Patreon, because that way you can join and get these videos early. Yeah, you get early access to these videos. I hope you enjoyed that. Take a look at some of these other videos that I've picked out, or you can keep going on this continuous playlist.